Alright, so this is this neat little headband that I made, twisted headband, and I'm going to show you how to single crochet around the edges because all my projects like to have the color red in it because that's what Knit Pray Share is about. It's about showing how we're all sealed with the blood of Christ from the beginning to the end. So I've got this pretty coordinating yarn, and I'm going to have to make a slip knot, which if you don't know how to make a slip knot, it's really easy. You just pull it up. I don't know, maybe I should do a video on how to do a slip knot too. I'm not sure. So, oh, and then I use size 11 needles, which these are some really nice handmade needles someone made for me at church several years ago. But these are size 11, and so the crochet hook that goes along with the size 11 is an L hook. So you want to have the same size hook as your needle. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, you can see that, I don't know if you can see the top 2 stitches here. I'm going to stick my needle through there, and then I'm going to put my yarn behind, and I'm going to just grab that. And there's 2 stitches on my crochet hook, and then I'm going to pull that yarn through those 2 stitches. And this homespun yarn can get kind of pull. All right, that's my first single crochet now. Here's the second. The next one is right here. That's put it through that hole, your hook, and you're going to pull it through. Again, 2 stitches on there. Pull that through there. It's really. It's really easier than that. Again, go, and you're going to do this all the way around. Just pull it through. Next one is right here. And sometimes, like I'm not a master crocheter. If you are, this is great. I might just have to take my hook and pull it through like that with my fingers. I'm not ashamed to do that. And I'm just going to do that all the way around. Okay, so this is my finished product. I crocheted along the one side and then on the other side, just single crochet. And you can wear it either way. I mean, but it's done. So this is a little ear warmer that you could wear.